we just ride our bikes, like just like 10 miles, 9 miles,
Yeah.
with Zeta running.
Zeta, how was your ride? It's Saturday Adventure, and where did our bike ride take us to? I'm Don Harrison. You're watching another episode of LA Explorer 365, and today I am at Cafe NoHo in North Hollywood, California. Meet Antonio.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
Bien, bien. ¿Dónde estás?
Estamos en Café Nojo.
Cafe NoHo.
Primera vez, first time.
First
I'm
time.
gonna try hookah. Yeah.
That's
hookah.
right.
I'm a virgin of hookah.
You're a virgin at hookah.
Yeah.
Awesome. I will show you how to do it.
Yes.
This is hookah.
Can I hold you? Can I hold your phone?
Sure. You can hold my phone. Alright. So you have your thing. You put it in here. You know.
We can use one. Right?
Hi. I don't have too many germs.
I'm kissing you.
Even
Weird.
making out with my dog though, so it's fine. Alright.
First time ever.
First time ever.
There's always a first time.
It's
For
like smoking, but better, smoothing. What's about to happen I was not expecting. At all.
You have to delete that. No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Here,
No!
try it again. You don't have to put it all in your lungs, but it's, yeah. Right? Along with our adventure in hookah, we got Italian sodas. I got peach. So what do you got there?
I got the bubblegum Italian soda.
And that's the peach. We also ordered some food.
Papas. Papitas.
Papitas. Sí. Sí.
Nice combo.
Sí, sí, sí.
Muy bueno.
Good.
One more.
Well, it's not. So you would suggest this place?
Yeah, totally. It's really good, this one.
Good first experience?
With hookah, yes. I know why you're laughing.
So take a friend to Cafe NoHo. This has been another episode of LA Explorer 365. See you tomorrow.